Do you want to transform your home into a smart, efficient, and personalized living space? Let's explore the key criteria and questions that can help you determine if you're ready for a home automation project. Hello and welcome to Learn Home Automation. Today, we are talking about assessing your readiness to create your own home automation system. In this video, we'll go beyond the usual considerations and provide you with a fun, interactive way to evaluate your current status. By the end, you'll have a clear understanding of your strengths and weaknesses, and you'll be equipped with actionable guidance to move forward confidently. Home automation allows you to control various home aspects like lighting, climate, entertainment, appliances, and security from one central place. It lets you create automatic functions for your devices using schedules, rules, or scenes. If you enjoy customizing things to fit your unique tastes and needs, home automation can be a rewarding hobby. With some setup time and effort, you can create a personalized system that provides greater value, often on a smaller budget. Many homeowners and renters hesitate when it comes to home automation, often due to misconceptions or uncertainty about how to get started. It's natural to wonder if home automation is right for you. While it offers numerous benefits, consider your specific needs and lifestyle. Not everyone requires a fully automated home. Start by identifying your daily routines and the areas in your home that could most benefit from automation. Some assume their existing home isn't suitable for automation, but with the right solutions and planning, most homes can support a home automation system, especially with wireless devices. There is also fear of making the wrong decisions and wasting time and money, but the key is to focus on the aspects that matter most to you and your family. Prioritize your goals and choose products that align with those priorities. Lastly, many feel overwhelmed about where to begin. You don't have to overhaul your entire home at once. Start small and build from there. Begin with a few key devices and gradually expand your system as you become more comfortable. To determine your readiness for home automation, let's explore 5 key areas: general knowledge, desired outcomes, criteria and limitations, technical abilities, and time availability. Each of these categories is crucial for making the right choices and setting yourself up for success. First, you should have a solid understanding of what home automation entails and how it works. This includes being familiar with the various benefits it can bring to your daily life, such as handling repetitive tasks, giving you better control over your environment, and enhancing security and peace of mind. Additionally, it's important to be acquainted with the basic components of a home automation system, such as the hub, sensors, and controllers. Knowing how these components interact and the different ecosystems and protocols in home automation will help you make informed decisions. Having a clear vision of what you want to achieve with your home automation system is essential. Whether it's controlling multiple devices and systems such as lights, entertainment, and security, or improving specific daily routines, defining your goals will guide your process. It's also important to discuss your plans with all household members to ensure everyone's needs and preferences are considered. If the system causes more inconvenience than benefit to one person, there will be friction, and the system will not be adopted. Recognizing the practical limitations of your current home is a key step in planning your home automation project. This includes evaluating your home's infrastructure and assessing your budget, as home automation can range from affordable to very expensive, high-end solutions. Additionally, considering how your system can adapt to future technologies and whether it will be locally controlled or include cloud services is important for long-term flexibility and security. Your technical abilities also play a role in the success of your home automation project. If you already have some smart home devices installed, you'll have a head start. While home automation becomes more approachable by the day, some specialized knowledge will help you choose the right ecosystem and devices and set everything up faster. However, even if you're new to the field, being willing to learn how to build and manage your system will lead to a successful project. With a bit of effort and the right mindset, you can create a more customized and efficient home automation system. Finally, consider how much time you are willing to invest in your home automation project. Whether you view it as a hobby or a means to an end, dedicating time to learn, personalize, and maintain your system will help you stay up to date with the latest technologies and adapt to changing preferences. It's important to prioritize your efforts and manage your time effectively so that you can avoid feeling overwhelmed and ensure that your system continues to meet your needs. Considering all the above, I wanted to create a fun and interactive way to help you assess your readiness for home automation. I made a quiz that evaluates your understanding and preparedness across the 5 key categories mentioned. Taking the assessment is straightforward. Answer each question honestly and thoughtfully. Remember, there are no right or wrong answers. The goal is to help you gain a better understanding of your strengths and areas for improvement. After completing the assessment, you'll receive a detailed report, including a set of personalized recommendations based on your answers. You can take the quiz now for free by visiting quiz.learnhomeautomation.com. Here are some extra tips to help you improve your readiness for home automation. To enhance your general knowledge, look at existing smart home setups for inspiration. Watch introductory videos and comparison videos between different ecosystems. Join online communities or forums to ask questions and learn from others' experiences. To clarify your desired outcomes, define specific problems you want home automation to solve. Set clear, achievable goals and brainstorm ideas with your family members. Research different scenarios and experiment with a smaller scale system to better understand your preferences. When considering your criteria and limitations, evaluate your budget and decide whether to build your system gradually or invest everything at once. If you are renting, look into non-permanent and wireless solutions. Learn about the differences between local and cloud-based control for privacy and reliability. Consider the longevity of your system, such as future updates and long-term support. To improve your technical abilities, start with simple automations and common solutions. Take advantage of beginner-friendly tutorials and guides online. Learn about different sensors and how to use them for automation. While contracting a professional for the initial setup can be helpful, remember that nobody knows your needs better than you do. Finally, consider your time availability. Prioritize tasks that cause the most inconvenience or inefficiency. Integrate new systems slowly as the need arises. Look for learning resources you can use while doing other tasks, such as podcasts or short videos. Set aside a specific time each week to learn about new features or make small improvements to your system. Embarking on a home automation journey can transform your daily life, making it more convenient, efficient, and enjoyable. By evaluating your readiness across key areas such as general knowledge, desired outcomes, criteria and limitations, technical abilities, and time availability, you can set yourself up for success. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced member of the community, the quiz and tips provided will help you identify your strengths and areas for improvement. Use the feedback to create a clear plan and build a home automation system that perfectly suits your home and family. Consider taking the assessment at quiz.learnhomeautomation.com and start planning your unique home automation project today. And that's it for today. What are your top reasons for wanting to automate your home? Which home automation feature do you think would most improve your daily life? I'd love to hear your thoughts, so why not leave a comment below? Thanks for watching, consider subscribing, and I'll see you next time.